What's up, bros? Today we are gonna make slime.
Hi guys, you didn't see me in a lot of videos, but I'm gonna be in this video and we're gonna teach you how to make easy and homemade slime. So let's get started. So first, we need one bowl
And a
spoon, and we need some glue, and we need some detergent, and shaving cream is optional. So first, we'll put in some glue. Then we're gonna put in some detergent.
First, it's advisable to get like a cup to put the
we
detergent
have
in.
Yep, you can have a cup for detergent.
Okay, and then pour the detergent in using your spoon.
So now slowly mix it until you get that flow going on.
Until you feel like it's slime.
Yep.
If it's something like this, then something like this where you can feel it, so not the glue's not gonna this ain't slime yet, but this is kind of
like slime. Feels like slime.
It kind of feels kind of like slime. It's not slime yet, but
yep, it's not slime. Yep, we need some more glue. Okay, that's good.
Add some more Tide.
So when you're mixing it, you can see the slime texture coming.
See if it's it's a bit it needs some more Tide.
Yep,
because in some spots. And this is, I think, exactly how you want it to be. But this is a perfect slime. You could be happy with this, but if you want to make it a really good slime, this is where the shaving cream comes in.
So this is totally optional, guys. You don't need to do it. So you put some shaving cream in, then you mix it again.
So you put and then you mix it.
Then if you want to use your hands, you can use it. But
you can use your hand, yeah. If you want to, you don't have to. Not recommended. If it's if it feels good, well, if it doesn't feel good to you, that means you have to add some more.
Yeah, you need more if you want to.
And
then keep mixing it until it doesn't stick to you and is good.
It's if you want to make it good, you can try all sorts of things. You can add some lotion, creams. They actually help.
Yeah, they help not to stick.
Some of them do. I can name a few if you don't like. If you want, you can get a water to kind of stickify.
Yep, you can put some water on so it doesn't stick.
Sometimes what I do is I just wash my hands.
Wait,
and then I don't dry.
So guys, this is how it is after mixing it really well.
Yeah, if you want to make it a little wet so that it's a little slippery,
Yep, if you
just wash your hands, but don't dry them, and it's pretty good. Until shaving cream. And keep doing this until it's a really good slime.
Yeah.
Once again, this stuff is completely optional. And then some slimes just form with the glue and the Tide. And it is really good if you add the right amount, really, really carefully. Then you have to slime experts.
So guys, if you want to add a body lotion, it's totally optional. But you
can do whatever you want.
Yep, you can do whatever you want, but some of them work, not all. So now this is pretty much, this is slime. So make sure you try it, and it's pretty good. Yep. So yep guys, this is how you make homemade slime, and it is easier, feels good, and it doesn't stick.
Now let's do the famous Krishy test. Krish, come here.
No.
And
okay, he's not in a gum.
We'll just cut that part. Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys. Subscribe.
Don't forget to share, and
subscribe.
Again. Bye.